everyone, it's Alisha and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you a stunning Indian bridesmaid makeup look that's perfect for any wedding event. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am starting off by refreshing my face with rose water. It gives such a fresh feeling and helps prep the skin for the base. Next, I am applying my go-to Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It's perfect for hydration and keeps the skin feeling soft, which is the key for long-lasting glow. Now, let's neutralize any pigmentation or dark circles using the Forever 52 color corrector. I am using a shade 2 tones darker than my skin to really cancel out any unevenness before foundation. For my foundation, I am using the Maybelline Lumi Matte Liquid Foundation. It gives such a beautiful radiant finish, perfect for a wedding. I am blending it out with a beauty sponge to make sure it's evenly distributed and look at that natural glow. Now it's time to conceal. I am using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer to brighten up my under eyes and cover any blemishes. This concealer gives great coverage and blends seamlessly into the skin. To set everything in place, especially the under eye area, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This powder is perfect for keeping your makeup in place and reducing any shine throughout the day. For the eyes, I am adding a medium brown shade to the outer corner of my eyes to give some depth and blending it properly for a seamless finish. Then I am applying a light brown shade to the inner corner for a smooth transition. Next, layer some shimmer from the Forever 52 eyeshadow palette directly onto the lids. Apply kajal to the waterline and then smudge a brown shade over it for a soft and a smoky effect. Curl your lashes and finish with a coat of mascara. To bring some warmth and color to the face, I am using the Revolution blush palette to bronze and add blush to the cheeks. And for that ultimate glow, I am going in with the Rare Beauty highlighter on the highest points of my face. Just look at that. For the brows, I am keeping them soft yet defined with the PAC Eyebrow Definer. I love how this gives my brows structure without being too harsh. Finishing off the look with a Swiss Beauty lipstick. To give it a lighter and a softer tone, I am applying a bit of concealer on the top to create a customized shade that matches the overall look perfectly. And there you have it. A gorgeous, glowing Indian bridesmaid makeup look that's perfect for any wedding event. Remember, life is short, so make every moment count. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, and keep slaying those looks.